speak something about your father, tell something about your father, and what is the role of your father. I would like to expect to everyone you will put your views very confidently on the topic. Who would like to start it? Who would like to initiate the group discussion? I think Arnab, would you like to discuss then?
Yes.
Aryan, you would like to discuss on the topic, what is the role of your father? Okay? Yes.
Good evening, friends, and first of all, thank you to sir for giving me this nice opportunity. So, guys, today's topic is about role of father in our life. Okay, guys. So today we have amazing topic. Today we are going to talk on a small topic. So first of all, thank you to sir for giving me this nice opportunity, and I am going to tell something about my father. My father is my father is a coach of my life, and I'm sorry, and he teach me and every step of my life, and he is very honest person, and I know that as my known, he is my Santa Claus as a, so they complete my all wishes, and what I need they give me, and which is wrong for me they scold me, and what is good so they teach me to about that. So thank you for.
Yes, Aryan, one line I have noticed, as you told, they complete my all wishes. Remember again, do not commit this mistake, because your father, so you can use, he completes all my wishes. Okay, next, yes, Ayushman, speak something about your father, and speak anything what you like.
Good evening, friends. I am Ayushman from class 5th. First of all, I would like to thank you for sir for giving me this nice opportunity to speak. The topic is role of father in our life. My father is my superhero. He complete my all wishes. He also teach me what is right and wrong. He is a teacher, and he is very smart in teaching. He also solve my all problems. Thank you.
Come on, Arthik.
Good evening, guys. Today we have amazing topic. Tell me something about your fathers. So I am going to tell something my fathers. My father is a manager of trading company, and he is a very honest person, and he complete my all wishes what I need, and he take me what I want to need, and he always support me to take a very peaceful steps on our life, and he don't tell me, he don't say me to speak the tell a lie, and what is wrong, and he always scold me when I was do wrong work, and when I get not good marks in my examinations of schools, and he also admire me when I do good job, and when I get good marks in my examinations, and I'm sorry, and I always respect them, and he is best father for me in all over the world.
Respect them, or you always respect him?
I always respect him.
He don't tell me, he didn't tell me to do
Okay, sir.
any wrong work. Okay? Yes, now.
First of all, good evening everyone. First of all, thank you for giving this nice opportunity to tell about my father. My father is a MR. He is a honest person. He complete all the wishes that I need in my life. Whenever there is a problem in my life, my father stands beside me. Our father is someone who holds you when you cry, and scolds you when you do something wrong, and signs pride when you succeed. My father is my life, and he teaches me what is wrong, and do not tell. He do not teach me to tell a lie. I love my father. Thank you.
Yes, Arnab, you spoke very well on the topic, but I noticed when you were speaking, your hand was trembling. Okay, okay. So you are confident. Okay. Hold the mic and speak something about your father.
Good evening.
Okay.
Sorry. Good evening, everyone. Today's topic is tell me about my father. So, my father is a best father, and this is teach me what is right, and he teaches. Yes, he teaches me what is right and wrong, and this is my best father, and I proud of it, my father, and thank you.
I'm proud of my father. Okay, he is the best father.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Prince, what would you like to say about your father?
Hello, good evening, everyone. I am Prince, and my topic is tell me about something. Tell me about something, father. My father's name is Karan Singh. He is loving and very handsome person. He is intelligent. Who is answer my question. My father is a government teacher. He is very hardworking person. Very hardworking person. My father respects our family. My father respect and my father modifies the study. My father protector and thief. Thank you.
Okay, very good, Prince. You have improved much in yourself. This is a good thing. And I noticed every time when you spoke something on the topic, so you tried your best. And this is really amazing thing. Yes.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Raj. I am telling about my father. My father name is Rishikesh Rawat, and my father Brahman Samaj Jiladhyaksh and civil engineer. I love my father a lot. He always support me, and he teach me what is right and what's wrong. And I saw my father to take tension about my future, and my father try to me a comfortable, and he.
My father tries to give me a comfortable life. Yes, my father tries to give me a comfortable life.
My father tries to give me a comfortable life, and when I am trouble, my father support me, and I proud of my father, and thank you.
Okay. You didn't tell me my father is the Jiladhyaksh of Brahman Samaj.
Yes, sir.
You told?
Yes, sir. First he told.
All time. Whenever he speaks, he describes all times this thing, my father is the Jiladhyaksh of Brahman Samaj. But okay, this is a good thing. Okay, I have no problem, and this is really good thing because your father is a Jiladhyaksh. So if you speak this thing confidently, so this is good thing. And Raj Rawat, did you remember it? Before joining Success Point, your father told me, sir, if Raj Rawat will speak only, I am the best boy and I can do this, then he will feel proud. Okay?
Yes,
did you remember it?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what was the statement of your father before joining the coaching, sir? कि आप अगर राज रावत यही थोड़ा सा बोल देंगे तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँगा. क्या कहा था आपके पास?
My father told you, sir. My father told Raj come me, and he said me, I proud of my sir.
Okay. Your father told me that your father told me that Raj Rawat come to me, and if he will say I proud of my father, I proud of you, kuch like this,
Yes, sir.
then your father will patting your back. Okay?
Yes.
Now you are a good speaker, and you can speak something on the topic, and I think you can speak on any topic easily. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, so this is good thing. And you also improved yourself very much in life. Never forget this line, never forget this statement. I told my all the students many times, never stops learning, because learning never stops. So life में कभी भी अपनी लर्निंग प्रोसेस को रोकना नहीं, क्योंकि लर्निंग कभी स्टॉप नहीं होती। हम जब तक जीते हैं तब तक कुछ ना कुछ सीखते रहते हैं। दिस इज़ अ ट्रू स्टेटमेंट, एंड कीप दिस thing in your mind, and all times try to learn the things. Okay, and in learning there should not be stability. Okay, yes. Now whose turn is this? Your turn. What's your name?
My name is Ayush Yadav, sir.
Okay, Ayush. Yes, hold this mic and speak something about your father.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Ayush Yadav. My father name is Mr. Dharmendra Yadav. My father is a businessman. My father is a very honest person. My father is a very hard-working person. My father is my best friend, and my father is my superhero. My father is a Santa Claus. Which I need anything, my father gives me. He is the good teacher. My father helps to me on my homework. Thank you.
Your father helps you to do your homework. Okay, so this is good thing. And your father, as you told, my father is a teacher. Really, your father is a teacher? Which subject does he teach? Okay, but he teaches many things. So we can say that my father is a teacher. And really, parents are really a teacher, because our first teacher is parents. Okay, so and mother and parents, they are really first teacher of the children. So we can say that they are teachers. Very good. And now everybody has spoken on the topic. So really this is very nice discussion with all the students. इन सभी ने इंग्लिश में अपने पापा के बारे में, अपने फादर के बारे में बोलने का प्रयास किया. That was really amazing, and I proud of my all the students. They are trying to learn something. I mostly say, when people do something special, people can commit mistake. So this is not a big issue, and whenever you do something different, so you can also commit mistake. So I always try to motivate my students. That's why they can do well in their life. Thank you so much guys. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर जरूर करें. चैनल पर पहली बार आए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर दीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच.